Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, hi. Today I'm just going to show you how I made this gorgeous looking crochet hairstyle from start to finish. And if you want to learn how to make this hairstyle, why don't you consider sticking around up till the end? So to start off with the hair, I sectioned from one ear to the other, just like a straight line, and then I subsectioned it and braided the hair itself. After which I went ahead to crochet the extension to the hair, and I wanted it to look like single braids or single twists because obviously the extension is twisted. So I wanted it to stand like single twists. That's why I went ahead to braid the front part of the hair. It's just like a tryout anyways. So I finished crocheting the extension to the hair and I loved how it was looking, and then I said, okay, why don't I make these braids in two lines, like from the front part of the hair. So I finished crocheting the extension to the hair from on the first line. Thereafter I made a second line from one ear to the other, and I replicated the same thing I did for the first row. I did it again on the second row. So after I finished doing that, I held the hair, moved it to the back, and looked to see how it was going to come out. So I went ahead and cornrowed the other part of the hair because I didn't intend to braid all part of the hair. So the first two rows were braided, and then I attached the extension to the hair. Then the other part of the hair, I just cornrowed it down to the back, and I continued to crochet my extension to the hair. Guys, I would like you to stick around and watch to the end and tell me if you have an alternative method of doing crochet. I have like two crochet hairstyles coming up on this channel, and I'm going to be trying other methods of crocheting your extension to your hair. And guys, I would like you to let me know which option you'd prefer on your hair, or which option you find more easy to do, or more stylish, or more creative, guys. So I would like to hear from you in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe. If you are here for the first time, part of my manners, my name is Nelly and I'm a YouTuber. And on this channel, I bring you everything hair content. Initially, I was doing lifestyle, but I thought to change it to like a hairstyle channel. That's why you have this content right in front of you. So guys, please do well to subscribe to the channel, share the video, drop a comment, and smash on the like button. All right, I would want to see you again in my next video. Please don't go anywhere. Watch the video to the end. Okay, I'll see you again. Yeah, bye.